1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's how we train the patterns. 1, 2, 3. Strike, 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 strike. Okay, so those are the movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you notice, when I'm blocking, I don't step back and block. Okay, I'm body shifting. Strike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm coming in this way. Okay? That could be universal. You could be coming this way. See, I'm still feeding that same puño here. Okay? So here, okay, so we're going to do 5 slides. Pick this arm. Side 2. Okay, it's this one. It's here. This arm. 3. Here. Okay. This arm. 4. Here. Okay. Put this arm. Here. Here. Okay. Here. Put this arm. Okay. Here. Okay, this way. Now I'm aiming past his head, but really when you do this, when you aim it straight at him, and you come straight out. Okay? Again, tap, boom. See, straight into the tap. Okay? The other side, here, here. Okay? One time. Here, pass. Here. See? It's out. And the other one, okay? So from here, I feed. Here it is again. Okay, that's why for here, I don't give him the choice. Okay? I'm going straight into that puño. Here. Okay? I'm not giving him the opportunity, okay, to make the wrong decision, okay, come down. Okay? Because really logically, this is the shortest point and the safest point. Okay? If you measure the distance between my puño and his head, it's about what? 1 foot. Okay. If you measure the distance between his stick and where he wants, or the things he wants to hit me, okay, that's what, 1 meter? Okay, maybe a little more than 1 meter. So logically, my puño will hit him before he gets 1/3 of the way down here. Logically. But people are not logical. Okay? That being the case, I don't give them the choice. I go straight into the puño. Right? Sit. Okay? I don't give them the choice. Okay? That's why from here, okay, I go straight to there. Okay, I'm going to enter, here's my disarm. From the disarm, I'm going to come through with a standing center lock and come through with a stick this way. Okay? From that point, here's my striking. Okay, I'm going to lock, put him through here, and I'm going to roll. Okay, through with the lock. Okay. Got it? Slow. Okay. Now here's the thing. Be careful about how you feed the blade, okay? Because you want him to capture at a certain point. If you go too far out, he may check you here. Okay? Then you're going to be trying to do this, you know, playing around. And this will be here cutting at you. Okay? If you're too close, he may grab your handle. Grab the handle, okay? Then we're going to do this. Okay? Make sure you feed properly. Okay? Because in primal state, just like all wild animals, okay, a fighter will go after whatever is the closest thing that comes at him. Right? So I'm going to feed the way I want him to catch my blade. Okay, that's the closest thing to him. Right? That's where the puño comes in. Right here, 45. Just like when we do our triangles, okay, I'm going to veer it off at a 45-degree angle. I'm going to capture the wrist with the sarong. I'm going to wrap 1, 2, 3. Now, this is kind of like what we call a 50-50 rule. If you guys have watched the curriculum, you guys know what the 50-50 rule is. Okay. As soon as I catch his first hand, of course, he's going to want to try to get out. And usually that involves some sort of punching. Now here's the thing. This is what the 50-50 rule states. If his hand is directly horizontal and in line with his shoulder, I really can't adequately predict where he's going to punch. Is he going to punch high? I don't know. Is he going to punch low? I don't know. But, okay, if you look at this, okay, what angle he's at, if I do this, where's he going to punch? He's punching here, okay? Just natural, right? So, here, I'm going to create that window, okay? When he punches through the window, okay, there's my lock, okay? And here's all it is. It's like pull it tight, just like that, okay? So from there, I tap down and bring it in. As it goes in, the exact same technique, okay? I just pull, taps, okay? But that's the whole secret of the technique. You have to create the window, okay?